Peace, love, and life, family. SEK, the homesteader. Okay, family, so I was able to process my chickens today. As you can see, I got them all bagged up. I have 2 in the sink that I'm going to cook tonight. And I have about 2 or 3 more that need to be plucked. Now, I did not have shrink bags. So I had to, work with what I had. So I just zip-locked them up. So what I did was I got my chicken feet, and I can't wait to do some broth with that. And I have my gizzards. I can't wait to fry those up. And all my chickens, you guys. So this was really, really challenging. Once we got into the rhythm of it, we was cool. But the plucking is work. I did order a plucker, but it won't be here until June. Like, I think it's the first week of June. So we had to pluck by hand, so it was a lot of, plucking by hand and stuff like that. But it was a learning experience. I always wanted to do it, so I've done it. If I have to do it again, I will, but I will prefer to have, the plucker machine or the plucker little drill gun, which I ordered. But it was definitely a learning experience raising them, and also, putting them down for the freezer camp. So I wasn't able to share a lot of the footage outside because we were really pressing with time. The storm was coming, so we was just moving really, really quick. So we really had like a setup for the bowl for the gizzards, a bowl for the feet, a bowl for the waist, a bucket for the feathers, because I'm gonna do some more research on the feathers, but I believe the feathers could turn into compost, and it's supposed to be really, really good. That's one of the things that I've heard about it. So I have my feather bucket outside. So I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do with that. As far as waste, we buried it. Most people will process it, grind it up, and freeze it, and they give it to their pets, their dogs and stuff. There may be people that even give it to pigs and stuff. I don't know, but we said we was gonna bury it, so that's what we did. We buried it. We didn't want to just leave it out in the yard for the animals to just come and go crazy over here. So we buried it, and so we got it done, family. We got it done. It was a process. It really was. I was so glad that the coolness came in, because when we first started, the heat was the sun was hot, and then all of a sudden this coolness came in. So we was like, yes. And then we had put the tent up, so that gave us some relief. And then we had the fans outside, so that helped us out a lot too. So again, I think I made enough room in my freezers. I had to move so much stuff around last night. I do have a friend that wants, I think she wants 2 or 3 of them. She wants to buy them. So I will get her to come and get hers. And the rest is going in the freezer. So yeah, y'all, so the coops is empty. It's a bittersweet, cause you gonna get up thinking you gotta go feed the chickens, and you ain't got no chickens to feed. Oh my gosh, look, that's so funny. Look, a feather on me. I was just plucking away, y'all. Was plucking away. You would have thought I was a machine. We was getting it done though. So again, it was a learning experience. I learned a lot, raising, my own chickens and stuff, and it was fun. It was challenging at times to get used to, but overall, I really enjoyed the process of having them. Didn't enjoy the process to see them, go. It's like I said, it's a bittersweet thing. But we were thinking about keeping one, because they say you should always keep one chicken. And I was like, we don't need to keep no one chicken. He gonna be in there all lonely looking for somebody to run around with. So we just took care of him, got him freezer ready as well. So I'm possibly thinking about getting another haul of them, but I'm gonna take a little break right now, and maybe I don't know, maybe the month of July, I will consider getting another haul of them. But for right now, hey, we got enough food for right now. I don't know how long this is gonna last. I didn't calculate in my mind how many chickens I need for the next couple of months. I know there's a lot of homesteaders that they do 100 chickens per year. Some do 500 chickens. I don't know, but I don't think I ever want to reach that many chickens unless I'm starting a farm. But I think the most I probably would ever shoot for was probably 50. You know, I would say 50, the most for right now that I can maintain. You know, throughout the seasons. But yeah, you guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know that SEK got it done today, and I'm tired. My son is like, put them bad boys in the freezer. So he's ready to start dropping them in and moving stuff around so we could get them in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I hope you was encouraged to raise your own meats. You don't have to do as many as I did. I started out with 25 and ended up with 21 because we had, I think it was 2 that ate themselves to death. One got stuck underneath the water dispenser. It was weird. And then I think one definitely got away one time, and then I think another one had got away. So, you know, overall we wound up from 25 to 21. Or was it 22? I think it was 22. Yeah, no, 21. 21. I think it was 21. Yeah, I think so. So, there you have it, you guys. So, raise your own meat. Give it a try. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. You don't have to start off with as many as I did. I would say if you're a beginner and you don't have a lot of space, I would say just shoot for maybe 5. You know, see how you like it, see if you enjoy it, and then, you know, if you want to bump it up, just bump it up on the next one. All right, family, this is SEK. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this series on raising your chickens. And SEK, we'll see you guys on the next video. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Peace, family.